Hi viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share a breakfast which you can pack it for your kids lunchbox as well. A must try healthy recipe. You can prepare this recipe in just 20 minutes. Let's get into the preparation. In a pan, add 20 ml of oil. Add 1 medium sized onion finely chopped. Saute them until they turn into golden brown color. Add half a spoon of salt and give a nice mix. Later add half a spoon of red chili powder, half a spoon of garam masala and 1 cup of boiled and mashed sweet potato. Saute all together for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now stuff is ready for sandwich. We need to stuff this prepared mixture inside the toasted bread. Today I am taking wheat bread. You can take bread of your choice. To prepare in a healthy version, I have taken wheat bread today. Toast the bread on both the sides. Apply the mixture which we have prepared. Spread it evenly. Seal it with another bread slice. Today I am preparing for a quantity of 2 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirements. That's it. Very simple and healthy. Sweet potato sandwich is ready to serve. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.